taken a hard look at the popular products available today. This product is one of the best rated products in the market today.
This winter, will you suffer from headaches, concentration problems, dry and cracked skin, itchy dry eyes or dry nose lining? Most likely, your house heating is over-drying your indoor air and causing all of these symptoms. That's why you need a VENTA Airwasher. An Airwasher corrects air humidity by evaporation. Look, these discs act as collection plates, picking up water from the unit's reservoir. The dry room air moves over the plates and picks up moisture and then exits back into your room, correcting any dryness, leaving the air refreshed and invigorating. But here's where your Airwasher is superior to a plain humidifier or vaporizer. While it quietly humidifies, the discs trap any airborne bacteria, dirt and allergens from your room. Since these particles can't evaporate, only humidified and purified air is free to exit back into your room. So say goodbye to colds and cough bacteria transmission. VENTA Airwashers give you perfect humidity, but with so much more. They never over-humidify. They don't use messy filters. They trap airborne bacteria. They don't produce white dust. And they're made in Germany, which is why an Airwasher lasts and lasts. For a lifetime, in fact. VENTA Airwasher, the original patented by VENTA in 1982.
Now, let's see the features of this great product. And these are editor rating for this product.